All right, we are live for Open Class Bracket 2, brought to you by Choice Hobbies RC on YouTube. We've got Chris in Black Ice versus Mike with Bigfoot Summit. Drivers ready? All right. Good jump to Bigfoot. It's good for Black Ice. Oh, comes back on him. Bigfoot takes a tumble. And Black Ice moves through. All right, cameras, are we ready? All right, drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. He's up to those two. He's happy, he's drunk. He's trying to come back. Oh, he passed the wall. He's starting to throw. Move to the next round. With a big finish for the Bronx. All right, cameras are ready. All right, drivers, are you ready? You watch the light. I think Bigfoot, I don't know. I'll have to look at that. Everything straight out. Alright, cameras. Cameras, are you ready? Alright, drivers, are you ready? Alright, watch the light. Start with these two trucks. Oh, Ben Gold in the corner. Alright, this is super serious business right here. We got Chris and Craig on the line. Cameras, are we ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Black Ice came like that. Over what ball? All rolled over. Giving it to the Black Ice. I thought they'll have a chance there for a second. Drivers, are we ready? Cameras are ready. Alright, let's watch the light. Here comes the jump. On the left. And that green boat right out. We're going to go to the replay. That was close.
Nice job, bro.
Get thrashed. Alright, cameras, are you ready? Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Good look into the shoe. Bigfoot with big jump. Back to the finish. Oh, and he catches the wall. Into the finish, Bigfoot moves on. Good run for the old trash can. Trash. Alright, cameras ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light.
Sure her name is Kira.
Alright, the old rivalry is getting renewed here. We've got Black Ice versus Amp. Cameras, are you ready? Drivers, are you ready? Oh, make adjustments. Alright, drivers ready. Watch the light. Moves up with the Amp. Black Ice still right there with it. Oh, the tire penalty. Mark's going to keep that on a tire penalty. That was close right there. He's taking a habit of taking out the bigger trucks with this little thing. Little rocket ship. Alright. Cameras, are we ready? Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Oh, man, you look great for Bigfoot. Mini Merc keeping it right on the track. Man, Mini Merc moves to the final. Damn, big strong for the win here. is your choice on these RC Open Class Bracket 2 Finals. We've got Sam with the Mini Merc versus Mark with Amp. Drivers ready. Watch the lights. Good jump. Oh, the Amp flips it over. He's still in it. But he's going to go to Mini Merc. He's been on all four wheels. The Mini 10 scale. Quote unquote.